For session one, we're mostly focused on introduction to building your personal brand and what this is going to look like over the next 30 days. And also, I'll be introducing you to my content automation system. Part of being a content creator and having a personal brand is being able to create content consistently first as a content creator, so that then you can take the work that you're doing as a creator and really build it into a personal brand and ultimately a business. So there's a couple things that I want to show you here. This page is a page that I created. I've started a database of different content that I use and I'm collecting throughout the internet for Weekend Startup. I'm also creating an entire automation system that takes this content, whether it's a YouTube video, an article, a website, and it's actually repurposing it. So this is starting with a tool that I created called the Text Makeover, which I'll show you in a moment. And I'm able to create content from content that I'm finding really valuable and repurpose it in a way that has my style, my personal brand, and fits into the curriculum, which right now is the Weekend Startup. So here, what you see is a page that I created for this YouTube video. Now, this page has a certain structure to it, and I'm using Glasp. So if you were with us last week, Forget AI Creative, you know, I talked about Glasp. That is on the YouTube channel. You can find it. It's an amazing tool, and I will talk more about it during the Weekend Startup program. But Glasp is what I use to transcribe YouTube videos, get highlights, summarize. It's a really amazing tool. It's a Chrome extension. And so what I have here, if we start here, you see cleaned up transcript. Now, what is the need for this? Well, as content creators, we are constantly watching videos, like I said, reading articles, and you might come across things that you want to use in whatever program you have or in your learning. And it's really important that we have a way to organize. So in the next part of this first session, I am going to be teaching you how to create a command center in Notion and an entire organization system for your projects and your content and just your life in general that I find very, very useful. Because again, part of building your personal brand is being able to organize content so that you can distribute it across multiple platforms and on a daily basis. And that's what most content creators are struggling with. It's why they really don't get off the ground, because the level of consistency that it takes. But we are using AI tools, of course, and custom AI solutions to automate this process. We're using apps and agents to automate as well, and we'll learn all of that through this process.